Welcome, Coder. In this video, we'll be downloading and installing your code editor, Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition, as well as a custom project template that I have created for you. I've placed the links used in this video down in the description. First, open up your web browser and go to visualstudio.microsoft.com and click on Download Visual Studio. This should automatically start the file download for you. Once it is done, click on Visual Studio Setup.exe to launch the installer. A confirmation box will be displayed, so just hit continue and it will pre-update the launcher before you begin the actual installation. Once it's ready, you should see this screen indicating that you are installing Visual Studio Community 2022 with a version number of 17.12.0 or higher, depending on when you are seeing this video. You will want to click Modify so that you can set up your coding environment. Here, you will want to make sure that ASP.NET and web development is checked. For now, this is the only thing you need to make sure is checked on this tab. Next, click on the Individual Components tab, where we will add a few other additional features. Make sure that you have .NET 9.0 Runtime, .NET 9.0 WebAssembly Build Tools, .NET 8 Runtime, and .NET 8 WebAssembly Build Tools. You'll be coding with .NET 9.0 for these videos, but it is a good practice to have the prior runtime and build tools available just in case you need them. Click Modify to start installing all the additional components, and once it's done, click Launch. You will now go through the first time launch setup. It will ask you to sign in, but you can just click skip for now. On the next step, set your development settings to Visual C# and choose a theme that you like. I personally use dark mode myself. Then click Start Visual Studio. This will open the project selection screen, but for now, just click continue without code. This will open up the application without any projects open. You'll get the What's New tab and a couple of notifications. You can ignore these for now. You can close the tab and get a view of the default layout for the editor, which can be changed later on. If you plan on coding on more than one computer, you can click here to sign in with your Microsoft account and synchronize your settings between them. I won't be signing in, so we'll just close out. Then close out of Visual Studio as well. Now, when you next launch Visual Studio 2022, be sure to run it as administrator. The best way to do this is to click on Open File Location and right-click the Visual Studio 2022 shortcut and go to Properties. Once there, click Advanced and check Run as Administrator, then click OK until the dialog closes. You will be prompted to give permission for the change to happen. After that, anytime you launch the application from the Start menu, it will ask for your permission to run it as administrator. Congratulations! You have completed another step on your journey to become a coder. In the next video, you'll get to dive into your first project and make yourself a to-do list application. See you then, coder.